I was doing my schoolwork. And irritated didn't activate.
Between 10 a.m. and noon, and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast
I have my earbud in, so
will vary at any given location.
the sound might be a little crappy.
Noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following.
Did I ever mention that the W100 doesn't ever sound for tests? That's what it's BB-8.
Test of weather radio station K East C55.
Yo. Irritant did not activate.
You are listening.
Everything is it doesn't sound. It doesn't sound, but it does. It does activate, but it doesn't sound. Of course, these two do. Did I plan that? Did I remember? Excuse me. Yeah, today's Wednesday, and I don't have school today, so I'm free. Yay. First of the two RWTs. Okay. You didn't activate. Yeah. Did I mention that? When I was changing the analog batteries in that thing. Oh, yeah, rechargeable. So when I put them back in, for whatever reason, the third battery, the one in the deeper hole, decided to start smoking. Well, actually, it was the contact, I believe. Yeah, I saw it. And it also smelled, so that was definitely a red flag. Definitely a red flag, so yeah, I left it alone for a bit, and I put a little piece of, I took the piece of, I took a piece of tinfoil from my clock in my room since it didn't have a contact. I took the piece of tinfoil and put it in that thing, and that works. So when it dies again, I'm gonna have to make sure that contacts, and it doesn't. And hopefully our house doesn't burn down from a weather radio. Yeah, I wanted a freaking thing you didn't activate. I'm going crazy. I was just doing my schoolwork. I just doing some math, and then poof, and it goes off. And it's around. Oh my word! I thought that brings back some memories. My year 50. I gave it to my friend, by the way. I'm not getting another one at some point. Also, by the way, yeah, if he doesn't like it, he'll give it back, and if he does, and I think in a week now, he'll give me like $40 so I can get another one. Yeah. That's my mom's just testing snap circuits for her class. Snap circuits. Okay, that's the RWT. Bye, guy. And yeah, girls and guys and aliens and dogs and cats and everybody. Just everybody. Okay, bye for real.